Go. This is going to be 17POP143144, and what we're going to do is we're going to random all of the first name letters here. We're going to random these 7 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. E is at the bottom. L is at the top. Going to copy that list. We're going to go right over here to Pop Explosion, and we're going to now paste the owners here. So let's do the same thing. Everybody that bought in the break, I'm going to paste you guys in there. Chad H, you're at the bottom. Jeremy, you're at the top. So here we go. Bang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, Kenneth B, you're at the bottom. Chad H, you're at the top. Going to copy that, and then we're simply going to paste just like that. Then we're going to share this to our main screen right here. There we go. And let's make this real big for a second. That way you can see what you have. And good luck, gentlemen. It's 143 and 144. So let's start with 143. Let's start with this one. Good luck. Ooh, 18 left in the contenders case. That's real good. All right. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. First up is True Blood Lafayette. So I love that. Love that dude. I think he's hilarious. If y'all have ever watched the show True Blood L, that is not a case hit, but that is going out to Chad H. And that's part of the True Blood. You got Sookie, Eric, Bill, Lafayette, Pam, and Alcide, Alcide, I don't know. But Lafayette, funny dude on the show. It's going out to Chad H. So case hit still available. That is not the case hit. Case hit still available. We'll see if it's in that next one. Chad H. That one's coming your way. Now let's pop this one open. No pun intended. Let's pop it open. All right, let's see. Let's see here. There we go. All right. Here we go. Ba-doop, ba-doop. Oh, that's a really good one. It's not the case hit, but this is a really good one. I think this goes for around 40 bucks or so. This is 2016 Summer Convention exclusive Violet Beauregard, and that's a V. And that's going out to Chad C. Killing it. Chad C. Another one coming out to you. Another one. And this is the Summer Convention exclusive there. Part of the Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory collection right here. Look at that. Willy Wonka, Oompa Loompa, Charlie Bucket, Grandpa Joe. They got Augustus on there. So anyway, there we go. So let's get that one on YouTube.